Tututukan ng bagong BTA Speaker at floor leader ang pagpasa ng bagong batas hinggil sa parliamentary districting sa BARMM. Matatanda ang binigyan ng Supreme Court ng hanggang October 30 ang BTA upang magpasa ng batas na magiging basehan ng idadaos na halalan sa rehiyon na itinakda ng COMELEC sa March 31, 2026.
Well, as stated by the Supreme Court, we try our best to process it. And in fact, that's our priority. Baka mahabol pa hanggang October 30, but I think medyo wala naman impossible if all of members united to push it and do the process para magkaroon ng standard approval of that law districting since the Bill 77 was ruling by Supreme Court as unconstitutional. So to have a future election, we have to approve new law. So that's our priority and struggle to make it possible.
Oh yes po, kasi since yun ang mandate natin po, no? So definitely i-agenda po natin yung pag-uusapan namin ng speaker, and then we'll inform you kung anong mga developments sa parliament po.